Hi, myself Sahil Garg and I am from Federation University. My student ID is 303500949. Today I am here to talk about on topic software attacks. So what is software attacks? Software attacks are the activities that include offensive targeting computer information systems, infrastructure, personal computer devices or computer networks, which uses different methods to alter, annihilate or steal data or information systems. It is a complete package of all functions in all types of code running programs in a provided system, which are easily accessible to unauthenticated users. Defective functions may also lead to malfunctioning to entire system or network by providing access to unauthorized users, which can be a hacker or a governmental spy with the intentions to steal data or gather further access, perhaps raising privileges to admin level. Individual working with the security flaws can be considered as attack vendors. Those may be utilized to gain deep access into system which will be vulnerabilities. uh, so there are like for lots of types of attacks, so I'm going to discuss the most popular attacks which been practiced in the real world. The first one is the DOS attack or DDoS attack. It is an attack where multiple systems prey a single target system. The attacker installs DDoS software on their system as and been attacked for their respective system. The attacker overburdens bandwidth, router processing capacity, breaking down network connectivity of the victims. Mm, DOS attack include two components, basically client and daemon. The client basically hosts attacks and directs command to its hosts. Daemon is the software program used for implementing of the tasks, and the another is spoofing. It is a situation where an individual pretends as another by forging data and gaining unlawful mystery in routers. Sending packets requires destination address with the respect to source address. Hence the attacker uses this vulnerability in the network and spoofs as the source address of the vulnerability in the network. Next is viruses, which is been very common. Virus is a application or a piece of code that is located onto a PC without the understanding of a person and run in the opposite direction to the user needs. Viruses can transmit themselves by attaching a file or a email or on a CD or outside reminiscences. So I have searched of some other viruses, which can be a file infectors system or boot file infectors or microviruses. And then I've been going through one news on the BBC news channel, which is taken from the BBC news channel, which says Samsung TVs should be checked regularly for virus attacks, as told by the company itself. Samsung sports how to control and activate the check through remote control, which should be done every few weeks. Checks on QLEDs TVs should be done if it is connected to Wi-Fi to prevent malicious software attacks. Samsung raised security alerts to its customers as well sorry regarding its security. It warns its customers not to discuss personal information in front of the displays, as they could transmit it to the third parties. So, as IT manager, I would always recommend to have a proper care with your TVs, with all your systems, and check for the viruses and other things regularly, and always prevent your personal files and data securely. Thank you.